Assalamu alaikum friends, here is 1000 gradients background. All files are full high definition. Here you see the resolution and size is 1.02 MB. Here is 1.03 MB, 1.09 MB. All files are high definition. Okay, and these are protected. Password in this app, go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK and buy now for lifetime in $4.99. And here is my Facebook page. I will upload every video here like a YouTube channel, and last is my Telegram channel. I will provide every link here. Write Sheri SK official and subscribe me on Telegram. Okay, so here is, you can use simply as a background or you can use as a gradients overlay. For example, open in Photoshop. Now we need a image, girls, like this one. Okay, drag there. $2000, delete it and then drag now. Here is soft light, overlay, hard light, and here is a screen light, opacity, wow. You see, you can make more better. Open any other new photo, like this one. Oh, resolution is 2000. Depend on your image resolution, then drag. Amazing. Press U. You can make more better. Okay, now open this one. You can use as a background, for example, stroke is 10. You can see, and write anything, depend your own choice. Follow on my Facebook page, Sheri SK. Download this app for password lifetime, and here is my Telegram channel, Sheri SK feature. I will provide first link here. Take care, Allah Hafiz.